Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me, for you of course. Today let me introduce you DAHTEC, DAHTEC fan heater with 2000 watt. I say this because on the market there are different fan heaters ready for you. It comes with 2kW yellow, 2kW black, 9kW, or 3kW or 5kW, all in black or in yellow. In this case here it's the 2K in yellow. That's enough for home use. This is an electric heater for construction. It's a construction dryer with a thermostat and 3 heating levels for construction sites, home use, workshop, and the garage. Ooh, the power source here is an AC. The weight is about 1.5 kilograms. The heating method is forced air, and the heat output is 68 degrees Celsius. Plus, of course, we have here multiple safety functions, because the DAHTEC steel fan heater has several safety functions, such as a thermostat, an overheating protection, and a stable 1.6 meter long power cable. That means it's safe and worry-free for a continuous operation. It instant heat in 3 seconds, because the powerful 2000 watt PTC ceramic heater with an alloy fan blades delivers a fast heat with a low power consumption. Energy efficient range of 20 square meters with an effective airflow of 3 meters per second. Whoa! Unusually designed details are 3 settings: 25 watt if it is the fan only, or you can choose between 1000 watt and 2000 watt. That means this portable heater weighs only 1.5 kilograms for easy transport and has an up to 30 degrees adjustable foot for individual angle adjustment. And it's a versatile application possibilities, because the DAHTEC electric fan heater is the ideal choice for mobile heat requirements, and it's perfect for small rooms such as apartments, offices, workshops, warehouses, garages, construction sites, greenhouses, and more. Of course, if you use one of the other, for example, the big players with 3kW or 5kW, it's not only for a small area. With these devices, you can make big construction areas good as new. Easy and fast. It warms the air. It warmth and relaxation for us. It makes a good and easy fast job with that. This is the BGP150602. The air throughput is 197 cubic meters in an hour. The power supply is from 220 to 240 volt and 50 Hz. That means you can use it worldwide. The heating area is 20 square meters. It weighs 1.5 kilo. The WSK is IP20. The watt are 25, 1000 or 2000. And the fuse is 10 ampere. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Now it's here a little bit. How loud it will be. Let's go. Soon.